Trading the trend. 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 Trading the trend.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, guys, you missed all that. Not my fault. Okay, maybe it is my fault. Okay, guys, you missed all that. Not my fault. Okay, maybe it is my fault. Sound check's working. That's the most important thing. We'll do it again when Omnius comes back. Okay, I don't know. Just quick. All I said was the Asian trade is off the books already. We took out the low, we took out the high, 80% chance we take out the low again, and we did. That's off the books. We traded kind of sideways to lower a little bit, couple hours before the news release. We rallied, but then the news release just knocked us back down. Gold is doing something interesting. I saw us in the 4100s, 4138 right now, trading at the previous day's high. Well, let's focus on MNQ. Are there any levels we want to take a look at? Let's tighten it up a little bit. Where have we sold off from before? Are there any resistance levels we've sold off from up here? 25,134. Got a couple of levels higher. We're nowhere near them, but we do have this one level, actually two right there. I can draw on a line over there, definitely. F6. Let's put that right there. So yeah, there are two levels there that we sold off from. Pulled up, hit the 975 level, came off. Pulled up, hit the 975 level, came off. Traded up higher with strength, with momentum, stalled, came down, traded back up, came down. So 24,975, definitely something to keep an eye on. Good morning, Omnius. And anything else? Not sure. I think that's it. Not too much in the mood to trade today. I'm going to be taking it easy. I'm going to be taking it easy today. Let Omnius Trades take the trades. Hey, he's got the word trades in his name. I'll take a few trades. I don't know. Maybe I won't. Maybe I can't resist. We'll see. But I really didn't sleep well again last night. Maybe got an hour, 2 hours of sleep, and that's not a good omen for responsible trading. So I got to be aware of that. Let's tighten up to 1 minute. Taking a look here, just quick. I don't need that. Let's get rid of those. It's a little dirtying up the chart. We got the pre-market session. That's the blue box. We're trading near the low of it. Let's see if there's any levels we can take out. No, that wasn't a trade. That could have been a trade. I'm not sure about that one. Yeah, that was one. Okay, we'll watch for a couple of setups. See if we can find anything. Right now I have a scalp at 57. What time is it? 21. Maybe I'll take it. I'll take it for a 2-lot. Let's do a warm-up. I just said I'm not in the mood to trade, and I'm already. There we go. Let's see if I can get in. I just got in at 61.75. I don't know. I was flashing there. $20 profit. Okay, I'll take a quick $20 profit. Copy trading into 2 accounts. $40 profit. Not bad. How long did that take? Was that more than 15 seconds on this? I'm not sure. We're going to be running again the giveaway game qualifiers when we get 10 players or more. $61.75. I could have gotten 12 points instead of getting a stupid 6 points. Oh well, my fault, but it was first trade of the day. Warm-up trade. Anything interesting over here? Well, we do have a couple of levels here, eh? Let's get this cursor on. We do have a whole bunch of levels to take out. 847, 844, 835, 827. There's like a buffet of levels for us to sweep and then go back inside the range. So let's see if that happens. It's probably going to be difficult to trade that on the open because the ranges are going to be big. It's still pretty decent range, 8.63 pre-market ATR on the 1 minute. That means the average 1 minute candle is 8 points. Volume is 490,000. That's about on par for a regular day. Good morning, Omnius. Good morning, Skeletor. Sorry, I didn't see you there.
Good morning.
I did a big intro, and I had my mic off. What can you do?
Coffee out.
Let's do
Skeletor, good morning. K50, good morning. Starboard, good morning.
get a good beard scratch out of the way. Huh? Beard grooming. Let me check the volume.
There's non-bearded people. They don't know what it's like.
I don't get it yet. How come I don't hear you? Again? Serious?
I don't hear you.
Again? Serious?
I don't hear you.
No, you came in perfect. Wow, what a... Okay.
All right, what day is this? Good morning. Tuesday. Happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday, Wednesday Eve. I still have no idea what the schedule is for...
Me neither.
I have no idea what the schedule is for this week. I'm not interested in looking, and I don't feel like trading today, so...
We got news today, don't we? 10 o'clock?
There was, yeah.
8:30?
Oh, yeah, there was at 8:30, yeah. What was it? PPI, I think. PPI.
U.S. retail sales, PPI at 8:30. Core PPI, 8:30. 10 o'clock, consumer sentiment. No, consumer confidence. You know it's too early to be reading.
Mm-hmm. Good morning, Starboy, all the way from Nigeria, I think. Algeria. I'm going to go with Nigeria.
Thought he said,
It's one of the Gerias.
Is that in Africa?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Nigeria. Were you around last night when we had the guy from South Africa? I think you were there. We were saying, do you know Ruan? Who's Ruan? Of course, he spelt it wrong. And we said, it was the guy that was showing up. And we were talking about poisonous insects and reptiles and animals. And he said the only thing to worry about was being eaten by a lion. And then he disappeared.
That'd be like somebody asking me if I know somebody from the U.S. Like, well, there's
more than one. Are you saying I was a stupid question?
It's like when you go somewhere and you tell somebody what city you're from, and they're like, "Oh, do you know this person?"
Yeah. You never know. It's a small world.
No, I guess.
Shit, it could have been Ruan's brother, for all we knew.
Yeah, could have been.
It was worth a shot, and at least we got a laugh out of it.
Still cold. I might need to go put my jacket on.
Yeah, I'm cold. Got my sweater on.
Let's see. I could turn the fan off. So do I turn the fan off or do I put a jacket on?
I'd go for turning the fan on.
What? Of course not. Put a jacket on was the right answer.
Nah. Okay, it's cheaper.
Gotta have the...
No, wait a minute. You said turn the fan off, not on.
You
turn
gotta
the
have
heater
the fan
on.
Look, I gotta have the fan on. In my house, the fan always runs. I don't know how y'all do it in your house. But in my house,
in the furnace, no, we have it on auto. Goes on, off, on, off, on, off. If that's what you're talking about, the
in the
furnace,
furnace,
fan in the furnace.
there's a fan. You don't have ceiling fans?
Oh, ceiling fans. No, we don't have ceiling fans. We have a furnace room.
What?
Remember, we live in a cold country. We have an industrial plant in our basement, making sure we don't die of frost in the winter.
You don't have ceiling fans?
No, we don't have a ceiling fan.
Wow.
We don't live in a tropical location like you. We're not lucky.
Where I live, man.
We have ceiling blankets. Okay, well, I got
Where
a
I
short.
live, you just turn the ceiling fan on, you just leave it.
Yeah. We got a short at 50, targeting 43. It's already a little late. I would have entered if it went up to 54, but no, I wouldn't have entered because it's 2 minutes before the market and the imbalance report. The market on open imbalance report is going to come out in right now.
We're pushing up, but we're also kind of at the top of this range. If we look back to last Wednesday, we started the downtrend and have consistently been making lower lows and lower highs. So
Whew.
We're pushing up, but we're back to the range of just
Good
kind
morning,
of
Dave.
the lower highs.
Okay, I gotta change my risk per. I'm only trading 2 lots today.
We're going to start seeing bears want to come in, see if they can push it lower. Bulls come in, see if they want to break this downtrend. So, kind of a tricky area. Look for a good setup. Take it. Technically, we're still down on the hourly. We're still making lower highs, so we got to see if this lower high holds.
Gold's doing nice, 41.30. Okay, market's open in 30 seconds. We got a bunch of levels down here. A whole buffet of levels at the 840 level. I think in one candle we can just go and sweep them all.
I don't know, gold looks kind of bullish, doesn't it?
In
a higher time frame.
Yeah.
All I'd say is we're kind of creating a wedge. Look out for that.
Market's
Look to
open
see
in
which
2
way
seconds.
that breaks. Watch out for that wedge pattern in gold. Where's my jacket at? Oh. Guy said
There we
turn the
go.
fan off. Y'all believe they said turn the fan off? That's
We
crazy.
took out one of the lows. Now we got 826 and 820 to take care of. And that would pretty much take care of the entire session lows if we can get under 820. So that would be interesting to look for a reversal at that point. Doesn't mean a reversal will come, but it'll be something to look for. That's it, 820. There we are. Good morning, SP King. Looking to take a quick long here. Out. Come on, get me out. Flatten all. Shit, I had so much on that. I had like 14 points.
What?
Damn it. Damn it.
Well, you got to use the hotkeys, man. You get that. Get those points. You got to jump on it.
I'm trying to use hotkeys.
SP King, good morning.
Well, let's see if we can get down to 29. Get down there again.
Good to see some of the guys returning.
Push. There's the 2 minute.
What are you pushing?
I'm not liking. I'm dumb. I wanted to push lower. I kind of feel like I'm going to get stopped out on this. Sorry, I can't shut off my alarm. I hope you guys don't hear it. There we go. Get me out. I don't even know what I did on that, but I'm out. Were you guys hearing that alarm? Was it audible? We'll take a break. Okay, I'll see if we can get an entry on this trade. Oh, no, we're not going to get an entry on this. Look at that first candle. 882. No. Not getting an entry on that.
Which way are we pushing?
I don't know. I'm taking a breather. I was thinking we're going to push a little bit higher, but remember, when I say a little bit higher, I'm just talking about a scalp. I'm not talking about the next hour. Once we took out the 820 level, took out the full session lows, which we had at 821, so we spiked them. And I said, I'm thinking that that's a good opportunity for a long. That was the long that I got in on, but I wasn't able to profit from it, really. It just went too fast.
Still trying to jump. Oh, they was pulling a fake out, weren't they? When you gonna fix my mouse? You just don't know what it's like to have a glitchy mouse.
$36. Let's get down to 36. 36, 46. Wrong way. Stopped out. Ah. Wow, look at that. That was a lousy pattern. Now we're going to rock it higher. Okay, take a break. Have a little bit of coffee. I was up 100. Now I'm up 19.
1900?
No,
Show me the money.
$19. Hmm. Come on. Let's get down to 43. I'm short at 50. If I lose on this trade, I'll be very unhappy. Sparky, you're bothering me. It's not time for cookies. It's time to get down to 43. Let's go. Let's go. Get me out. There we go. Back up to 109. 43. 43 got tagged. Very good. Sparky, give me a fist pump. Good boy.
This guy's already took 10 trades today.
Now it's time for cookies. But the good news is I didn't take any counter trend scalps. You must have had a trade. 1, 2. No, maybe not, eh? 1, 2. Yeah, I don't think you may have had a trade on your butt. Did you? Doesn't look like it from what I know.
Oh, I went go short.
Yeah. Even with
Don't
that
take the
big...
first short. Only takes it if it's long.
Oh, I gotcha.
The other one might have taken a trade. I don't know. I'm having it.
Yeah.
I got to work on it some more. The trades are interfering with each other. I had twice last week where it took trades, but it refused to exit the trades.
Okay.
Because it's seeing it's taking 2 trades at one time, but then it's seeing it as one order. So it's kind of weird.
Got a little bit of prop firm news this morning. One was in the email. I think it was Take Profit Trader saying that they're applying some kind of new technology to scan for people who are hedging so that they're more compliant with the CME, since hedging is absolutely a no-no. That was one of them. And the other one was Top Step. I think if I heard correctly, Top Step is going to have a no activation account. So I think it's 80 something if I heard, or 60 something. I don't remember.
Yeah.
No activation. And there was 2 things with Top Step. I don't remember. Maybe they're lowering the price of their account with the activation, or they're lowering their activation. Yeah, I think that was it. If there's activation, they're lowering the activation fee. So that's pretty cool. Top Step had a high activation. Yeah. I think it was $130 or $140. Found that a little bit high.
That other one that guy was talking about yesterday seemed pretty cool. I would check that out.
Funding Traders Network, eh?
Funding Futures Network, I think.
Funding Futures Traders Network, yeah. Funding Futures Network.
Although I think I already got locked out of it.
What?
I don't know. It said
you sent too many
yeah.
You sent up too many customers. Oh, that's enough, Omnius. Leave some for others.
No, I set it up and it's like, what's your name? What's your email address? So I did something and I think I actually hit the wrong email address. And then I didn't finish it, so I clicked back and reset it up with the right email address. And then everything worked great. And then like when I logged out and I tried to log back in, I couldn't log back in. Like, well, I know I got the right information. I just set it up. Plus, it was like asking like, "What's your name?" and "What's your nickname?" and stuff. So I was setting all that up, and then all kinds of conflicting information.
Mm.
And then I tried to sign in a couple times, and it's like, "Oh, you've too many failed attempts. Come back later."
Yeah, I had that today also in one of my accounts. Well, I had another account that got closed, deactivated. I don't know what word to use. Hold on a minute here. I'm trying to get in at 47.
Short.
Short, yep. Excellent entry if I get filled. Come on, give it to me.
Looks like it's struggling.
Come on. There we go. I got filled. Now let's go down to 36.
Yeah.
36, 36. I'm
break
short
even.
at 50.
SP
you scared me.
King, how
Okay,
you
I'll take
guys
10
doing?
points. I'll take my 10 points. You got out at even. I'll take my 10 points.
Doing pretty good.
We have a new sponsor today.
We have a new sponsor.
We have a new sponsor. You'll have to turn on your volume. Somebody new is paying the bills. It's not it's not Skeletor's chocolate salty balls.
Oh, I'm still trying to go down in it.
It is. It is. And I missed another short, actually. I caught one there for about 10 points when you said you
There
got
you
out.
go. There you go, baby.
But you said you got out. You got me out. You said you.
Did get out. I told you, I said, don't follow my trades because
I know, but I can't help it.
I'm in and out so fast. You can't copy my trades.
I can't help it. Now we're taking out the low now. Again, new session low, new U.S. session low. ATR 25 points.
Everybody's short, so maybe we are trying to make this lower high on the hourly.
Let's see what this looks like on the daily. Still respecting the slope of the decline. I can't really say. It looks like we're breaking higher.
Half hour looks like we're breaking lower.
Yeah.
But we are testing a support here.
Whew, yeah, it's funny. Because I was going to say, I just got the feeling to chase. No wonder. I'm not doing that anymore. I'm tired of taking shitty trades. I'm so tired of it.
I want the easy trades.
Yeah, I'm tired of throwing away my money on stupid trades chasing. I have enough setups. I don't need to chase anymore. Take my hand off the mouse. When he gives me a trade, I'll take it, and that's it.
Oh, I took a trade here. Wasn't. Damn it. Because I hit the close button. Now give me a pop-up. I'll get back in.
Oh, guys, I mean, goes without saying, we are running the giveaway game qualifiers today. So you can type in !giveaway at any time. You don't need to have us encourage you to do it. You can just type them in. Omnius, tell me if you see any on your stream. Short at 87. Let me try and get in around 90.
For another 15 points.
Yeah, good job, man.
The bot was short, but see, it keeps. You mother beaches.
Yeah, I missed it.
So every time I close the trade, it kicks the bot out.
You know what I think? I think I need a break. Starboy and SP King. Okay, you're in our first. You're in our first one.
Another one? This thing's on fire. That was a micro scalp there. That was the confirmation that I could never trade with my funded futures. Might have to send them a message and harass them.
Mm-hmm.
Look, why people like me can't trade with you?
Good morning, Hamza.
Like, you know how many trades I could take in 15 seconds? Just to be clear,
15.
I've taken 3 trades today. All 3 together probably don't equal 5 seconds.
Yeah.
And it's not like it's really micro scalping. I mean, this one was 9 points. The one before it was mother chart. Sorry, I'm working on different charts. One before it was 14 points.
$45.58. If we get 38 offer and it can hold. No, not 38. 28. If we see 28 on the ask and it can hold, I'll be looking for a short around 34, 35 once that happens. So I'll need it to pull back a little bit. Then I'll be targeting 20. So about 15 points.
I'm up 3 trades, about 37 points altogether. All 3
Good
together
job.
under 5 seconds.
There we go. And I completely missed it. It just ran. Ran without me. Not going to chase it. So we're both having a good day. If you lived close, I would say let's call it a day and go for a beer. An early morning beer.
Mm-hmm.
Nice move lower. You know what? I'm a little edgy. I'm going to go take a break. I'll be back in 90 seconds.
Trying to see who all didn't take the trade yet. Short means I got one more bullet in the chamber. I don't think it's going to work. I don't think it's going to trade, though. I think the half-hour chart really kind of called it. I knew the hourly was could go either way. Breaking down this trend line here. Broke below it. 30-minute. See the cloud here. Bullish, breaking below. Breaking below this cloud here. Going bearish. We knew there was support here. We wanted to be careful. Tech, good morning. Now what I'd like to see is a push up maybe to this resistance and then continue down. Nice bearish 15-minute candle, nice gap. Got our gap breaking this area here. That's a nice strong gap push down. Beautiful. Now I just sit, wait, let it retrace a little bit, and find new more entries. Short. There it goes. You see 2 of the trades that I took here. Let's see if we can get the other one. Let's see, there was also a break even here. I guess 4 trades for the day. 3 wins, 1 break even so far. These yellow diamonds are large volume. So you can see how much volume's pushing this market down right now. For anybody don't know, these are volume candles, volume Heikin-Ashi candles. If anybody wants to set up a chart like that, I do have a video on that. What I use as an entry chart, 2600 volume Heikin-Ashi chart. Then the other one here, the reason you see trades on different charts, because the other one runs a bot. This one runs a bot. Then, of course, my 2-minute chart.
We're dumping.
No way. Who told you that?
It's what I see on the charts. Accounts. How am I doing here? Okay.
Are we going to see all those videos about the sky falling again?
Yep.
Remember what I said this morning, right? We're at the top of this range area, making higher, lower highs, lower lows on the hourly. What was it, 4 hour? You can see it real good. Yeah.
I miss having an indicator that tells me how much we're down.
So take that off the chart, and you can see it real good. Lower high, lower low,
Percentage
lower
wise.
high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We're back up here. Kind of draw a trend line, make it an ugly one. We're back to this area. We're ready to make a new lower high. So the bulls would have to get above this area. We want to see the bulls get above this high to make a higher high. Until they can do that, we're still bearish.
Mm.
We're
What
in
price
this
is
area.
that to get over that?
To get over that high would be the 25,300, which is also the kind of this range. I would maybe even go to 400 because we're back in this range we've been in. We had a higher range when we had this range. So even though the 300 would break the previous high, the 400 would get us out of the range.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
somewhere
I see
around
what you mean.
300 to 400.
I see what you mean.
So right now, the market's got to decide, does it want to push back up, break this downtrend, and try to get back to the high of that 400, the high of the range, or what do they want to do? What they could do is drop the market, come down to about the 420, 400 area, maybe even 500, that range there, and then maybe create a higher low and then send the market higher, which would also create a head and shoulders pattern and a higher low to go higher. I always find it funny when we're at the top of a range and it dumps and people are like, what happened? It's the end of the world. Nobody could have predicted this. I'm like, we're literally at the top of the range. What do you mean nobody could have predicted it?
Whoa, Sparky, what are you doing?
Mike, say I had a race car and you said, well, how fast does your race car go? I said, well, my race car goes 400 miles per hour, right? I'm out there on the track. I'm doing 380. What's more likely? I'm going faster or slower? Right? You would say, I'm pretty sure he's going to slow down from here. And so, how do you know? They told me his car only goes 400, so at some point he's got to be slowing down. Unless he's got some nitro he didn't tell me about.
Probability wise, he's slowing down. Wow.
He's maxed out. He's not going faster. Anything could happen.
Okay, switch platforms. Up 232 and 262 in two Bullinox accounts.
Big money.
No, let's go to the top step. I'm still practicing, eh? Remember, it's just Tuesday. I have a 20-point stop in being put in automatically, which is something new for me. Yeah, started it on Monday because the price was getting away from me on this fast market. Right now, I can call it a fast market. 37-point ATR on the 1-minute charts. I can definitely call that a fast market. Anything under 30, I wouldn't call a fast market, but over 30, I'll call it a fast market.
On the what? The ATR?
Yeah. Yeah, it was getting away from me, and it was causing me a little bit of stress. So I said, you know what, on the weekend, I'm going to put it in, see how it goes. You got to try things and see how it goes. And it was great on Monday, and it's doing great now. Maybe that was a missing ingredient for my trading. Improves my performance. Wow, nice move. Nice move higher. Of course, it doesn't hurt to also not take the counter trend scalps. My mic is on, eh? Yep.
No, you muted.
That's funny. How is Top Step the exact same amount? What is Top Step? 82? Let's change it a little bit. Let's bring it down to 75. $7 is $7. Better in my pocket.
Better in my pocket than the big banks, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay, well, since I opened up Top Step, I'm up 133 over there already. I need a break again. Nerves? Oh, I didn't turn on my camera.
Hiding from
That's
us?
good. That's good. You wouldn't have wanted to see my concentrating face. Shit, damn, that's some high intensity scalping. It's like I gotta do this. I'm taking another 5-minute break. Let the nerves calm down. Calm down. Who do we got so far? We got Starboy, SP King, Hamza, and Tech Comic.
Not really sure. Looking at other stuff, trying to do some homework. Doesn't ever get time.
Mm.
Although I do see the 2-minute chart getting to a nice short area. We get a setup. I need to pay attention.
Mm. 10 o'clock.
We got
Did you
10
say there was
o'clock.
news at 10?
Yes. Oh, wait. Turn that off.
Wow, look at these moves, man. These are like millionaire moves. Shit. I almost never seen my chart like this.
I remember last time Trump was president, man. It's what it looked like every day.
Yeah, no. Not the volatility, not the amount of volatility, just the pattern that the chart's making.
Mm-hmm. I remember, so it used to, back then, it would dump first thing in the morning, like really hard,
Mm.
and then it would skyrocket, kind of like this, but quicker. Like this is what, at almost 10 o'clock. I'm talking about like 9:40. And everybody would call it like the dumps first 15 minutes and skyrockets the next 15 minutes. I remember Trades by Matt just used to buy the bottom.
I don't
You
remember
almost
that.
look like a genius if you just like let it dump for
Skeletor.
like 10, 15 minutes and then buy it.
Yeah. I don't remember.
You almost look like
him.
a genius.
I don't want to be mean, but I don't remember him buying the bottom. I remember him selling the bottom and buying the tops. In the old days, he used to get stuck a lot in trades. He's changed completely now, but in the old days,
There was another guy. It was he used to play
Excellent.
music and like drink whiskey while he was trading.
Trey?
No. He even made a song. It's called "Buy the Fucking Dip." You ever heard that song?
No.
It was a good song too. I think he took it off YouTube.
Okay.
Cardinal Cash. You ever heard of him?
No.
News is coming. Thank you, SP King. Yes, news is, well, it should be released now. Yeah, he used to he was more of a, wasn't like a serious trader. He was more like an entertainer. Like
Okay.
he was playing music, drinking, making jokes and stuff. A lot of people liked him. And then he got caught like trading an eval or something, and
Okay.
everybody was like bullying him. Like, oh, this guy's a paper trader. Now look, now everybody's trading evals and
Yep.
prop firms. he got so much hate for it. Like he pretty much quit his channel and everything.
Wow.
All because he got caught trading a prop firm. Everybody trades prop firms.
How many times I was selling the bottom and buying the tops? Oh, me too, Skeletor. You and me both. I used to say that if I was trying to sell the tops, I would never, ever get near the tops that I get when I buy them. Somehow I had a magic, an ability. I had an insane ability to just find those tops when I was buying them and sell the bottoms. Another thing that made me say, we live in a simulation. It's not possible. I could try for 30 years. I wouldn't get such a top like that if I was selling. But when I'm buying, magically, I get them all.
It's funny that you're talking about it. I seen a video yesterday with some seasoned professional trader, right? And he's like, everybody's waiting for the trend to change. It doesn't change like people think it does. He's like, if you just bought the tops and sold the bottoms, you'd make so much money.
Mm.
Like, ah,
Problem is, no one comes out and says this is the top
I don't
or
know,
this is
man.
the bottom.
I don't want to buy the top. I don't want to sell the bottom.
It sounds easy, but like
in
I
his
said,
theory, he says everybody's looking for it to change direction, but statistically, it's not going to change direction. But still, I don't know if I want to sell the bottom. I like pullbacks. Why not just wait for a pullback? It was a great short there that I missed. I even said it was a great place to look for shorts. Say lovey.
boom, someone made it to the winner's pit.
It dumped so fast that by the time I could find a decent entry, it was already so far down I didn't want to take it.
Yeah. It is moving fast. Oh, that was
I know in hindsight, it looks like it was easy because we had this candle here. It came down, pushed back up. Would have loved to enter the trade right there. But in reality, all that happened like really fast. Like this was the end of the candle. It spiked up and just shot right back down. At least that's my story.
And I'm sticking to it.
Maybe I was halfway paying attention also. But still my story. Could see a possible short entry, but wouldn't be the best. Means I probably shouldn't take it. Yeah, Skeletor. I love videos like that nowadays. And especially the hindsight videos.
Oh, yeah.
So many hindsight videos. And I go back and I watch some of the people that I used to think were like really good traders. And I watch their videos now. And it just drives me crazy. It's like, yeah, that's easy in hindsight. You know? It's like putting the dang, what's that indicator called? Fractal. It's like putting a fractal indicator on your chart. And you look backwards, you look left, and you're like, oh my God, I'm fixing to be a billionaire. Until you find out that it repaints and it just puts all the marks right where they're supposed to be. We got all these hindsight gurus. You just look, if you just, what chart am I on? This one? Look, if you just sold right here, look how easy they look. Right there, right? Sell. Look how simple that is. Great setup. All you gotta do is sell it. Stop there. Profit way down there. You got a 5-to-1. Look how easy it is. Same thing right here. Look, perfect setup. Look, stop there. Take profit down there. 2-to-1. Look how easy it is.
Yeah,
in reality, markets don't work like that.
I was talking about that yesterday in my stream, saying left side of the chart traders.
Mm-hmm.
If you know a left side of the chart trader, dump them. You got to be able to do it in real time. You got to be a right side of the chart cowboy, not a left side of the chart trade. Every pattern seems obvious when you're looking at the left side of the chart, because you know what? You're filtering out all the losers. You're not even looking at them. You're not even catching them. It's only when you trade it in real time you go, oh shit.
Here's another one I like when they show you setups and like, look, this setup works every time.
Yeah.
They show you on the chart and they show you a setup, and you look at it, and if you just look to the left slightly, you see the same exact setup that failed. And it's like, what about that one? Why are we not talking about that one?
Yeah.
What's going on there?
At least have the wisdom to not show a chart that has an actual loser when you're claiming that it wins all the time.
They just skip right over it. I love it when you look in the comment section and people point it out. They're like, what about that one?
Delete.
And they're like trying to scramble to, like, damn, I left that in the video. Oh, man. How do I explain this one?
That one didn't count. That one didn't count. Let's see. Let's see if we can trade up to VWAP, take out the high that we put in around 958 with a bullish candle, then trade lower. Maybe I'll take that to the short side. That'll be one of my sniper entries, and it won't even be a counter trend trade, which will be good. It'll be a trend trade. I'll like it even more. I'll let you know if it triggers.
When I was looking at that, what was it, Funded Futures Network? I gotta try to log in today. I gotta try to log in. And it says they have NinjaTrader.
Oh, yeah?
They have Quantower and NinjaTrader. But then somewhere else it said that you can use Rhythmic. So I would have to confirm. Are they providing NinjaTrader or are they saying you can use it? Seemed kind of vague.
Yeah.
But their deals seem really good. They got the buy one get one 50% off. Then you have seemed like it was saying end of trade drawdown. So
That's interesting. Never heard of that. That's
come back. You're not in the negative.
That's a whole new product.
So if you're taking those long trades that all those people like, 100-point trades, you put a stop loss at break even, you come back, hit your stop loss, you didn't lose. So that's kind of a game changer.
It is. It's a whole new angle on that. I like it.
They have the no activation right now. So it was like $75. You get 2 accounts, no activation, and it's end of trade drawdown, and you get NinjaTrader and Quantower. I mean, I'm still looking into it, but if all that's true, I mean, I would maybe even message them first, ask them those questions. But if all that's true, I mean, that's a pretty good deal.
Yeah.
I mean, all those other no activations are like $100, $105, and you only get 1 account, so you can get 2 for $75.
Ooh, we got a long time to wait.
And they say you can copy trade 5 accounts. So they don't give you the 11 or the 20, but you can only do 5 funded accounts. So you can pass as many as you want, and they just put them in like a hold or something.
Yeah, no, that's pretty special. 2 for $75. 2 with no activation for $75. That's $37.50 for a no activation account. Were you impressed with that quick math?
I got a son that crunches numbers all day long. You're gonna have to step your game up. He's like, Dad, math's so easy. I don't understand why people don't get it.
Yeah.
Like, he hates language. He's like, Dad, I'd be able to spell if they would spell it like it sounds. Or sound it how it spells. Like, yeah, son, I agree with you. I think he'd be a great trader. He's very rule based. Like when you tell him something, that's the rule, right? Like,
Yeah.
like, why would you tell me that this is how it goes if that's not how it goes? Like if I comes before E, then it comes before E every freaking time. Don't tell me it comes before E, but it don't. They're in kind of a range.
Yeah, I'm looking here and I'm not sure what I'm thinking.
Made a higher low and looks like we're making another higher low, kind of.
You XFT me.
It was late. It's only 10:13. I should have been one of those hindsight gurus. But they make all the money. Everybody eats up their videos.
Yeah.
Then you tell people the truth, and they're like, "I can't win 100% of the time. This guy's lame."
Mm.
Then everybody's losing their life savings, and I'm like, "Well, we tried to tell you."
Mm.
Do you have a short signal?
Yeah.
I don't like the consolidation.
Targeting 660. I wanted to install not Garland Traders, Saber's calculator for risk, so I can take these setups over here and know that I'm risking a set amount. But I got as far as downloading it, but I didn't install it yet. And I think it's time for me to quit because I am treading water here already. Like I said yesterday, I've been up as much as 133 on Top Step. Then I got down to 40, back up to 160, back down to 80. I'm at 120 now.
No, I don't like
Who knows
push
which
the
trade
ride.
this one, which way this one's going to be. I'm
Let's
in the
try.
short.
Can I log into these people or not? I had to send them an email and said, "Look, why can't I log in?"
Okay, wow, a shitty 138. Let it go. We'll watch. What do we got? Let's check all those levels here and see how many points that is. 1, 2, 3. Can I mark it?
No member exists with this email.
61.93. Wow, even at 50, we're talking 30 points. That's $60.
I literally confirmed my login with that email. Isn't that crazy?
Mm.
It's like their system picked up that I set up 2 separate accounts. Because remember, I told you the first time it auto put in my email, but it put in the wrong one. So I clicked next, but then I backed out and put in the right email. Apex Black Friday sale, 80% off plus discounted lifetime PA fee. What do we got? So Apex has $59.40 evaluation price after
Okay.
80% off.
Oh, that's today?
Yeah. You ready for the
Mm.
next part?
Sure.
$10 lifetime PA fee.
Bullshit.
That's what it says. $69.40 all in for a 100K account.
Clean your glasses.
I'm telling you. You look
Check
at your
again.
email.
Clean your glasses.
Watch this, guys. Wait, I can't. No, I can't put it on.
You
the
wear
big screen.
glasses?
Yeah.
I don't. I do. Oh, wait a
You
minute.
wear
I think you said contacts. It's true. I forgot. Clean
All
your
other
contacts.
account sizes are 80% off first month. Come on, Apex. You can do better than that. 50% off reoccurring. Come on, Apex. You can do better than that. 40% PA. Or $40 PA. Okay. So you're still at about $90. But you can get a 100K account right now for $69. Bullshit, Mike. I mean, that's a pretty good deal.
Yep.
But I just want to say, with the Funding Futures Network, you can get two 50K accounts for about that price. I don't know. A lot of good deals out there right now.
News is coming. I don't see the
Anybody
time
likes
on your chat.
Apex? For anybody likes Apex, go get you the 100K. The 100K is actually cheaper than the 50K. So go check that out. 100K account. For anybody that likes Funded Futures Network that I still can't get into, they have a good deal. So right here, Mike, check this out, right? Click here to confirm your email.
Check it out. Check it out.
But I didn't use this email.
You need to go to login school.
It was already
Nice.
confirmed. Of course it was already confirmed. So why can't I log in? No member exists with this email.
I want to take this trade. I don't know. Guys, I don't have the guts to take it, but short at 760, targeting 660 with a stop at 793. So if you go in here, you're getting 30 points for 100 points. I don't have the guts to take it. I'm sorry.
Check this out. If no member exists with this email, then there's no reason I can't sign up with this email, right? Confirm your inbox.
Madman Antonio. Okay, I think we're ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? Yeah, we're ready to go. And I can use a break. I'm signing you and Woodchip up to login school. You guys ready to play?
Confirm sign up. You have
This is
successfully
confirming sign up.
subscribed. So I successfully have an account, right?
There you
Again?
go. I don't know.
Again. Do I have to join the affiliate program again, or?
Okay, got to my high water mark there on that short. That was a scalp. Let's see if the short at 760 goes down to 660. And as soon as Omnius is ready, we can play a game. The stop on the short is 794. That's 795, let's say. So the closer you can get into 795, the better. Again, targeting 660. Wow, that's a huge trade. That's a huge trade. It's a completely different style of trading for me. So far, I've been doing really well at it. So if we get down to 693, this qualifies as a win for me. Is it 693? No, it's 660. I'm sorry. I made a mistake. 660. It doesn't qualify as a win unless it gets down to 660.
Man, I have no idea with these people. Let's start over.
If we get down to 660, I am 5 for 5 on the week. If I get stopped out at 795, I'm 4 and 1. If I had taken this trade, I would take a piece off
Silent
here and make
Mind,
it a
good
risk-free
morning.
trade. Now you are, yeah, I call it my CT or Mike CT. Yeah, we can do that. I go with Mike CT. Hey, Silent Mind. Silent Mind, type in exclamation mark giveaway. We're going to be playing pretty soon, as soon as Omnius is ready. I know I can use a break. Yeah, even here, anywhere here, you get out half, and it's a risk-free trade. Like moving your stop to short, but I don't move my stop to short. I keep it in because the target is still 660. Okay, Silent Mind will start populating the names. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's get one more person. We said I wrote 10. Let's get one more person, but we'll populate the names.
Y'all waiting on me?
I think his microphone or his headphones are on a delay. I think I said like 9 times. When you're ready to play, let me know.
No member exists with this email.
You see? Oh, he's back on that again.
What the?
Madman Tonio. Oh, what's that? Oh, okay, I get it. Save and apply. 10 players loaded. Right? Is that possible? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What did I miss? Well, we didn't hit target yet, and we're back to kind of the entry. I mean, the entry was around 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, somewhere in that range. Guys, if anybody of you want to knock on Omnius's window, I already tried 3 times. I didn't get a reply. If someone wants to knock on it and go, hey, anybody in there? Open up. Are we doing this or not? What time is it? It's 10:30. Definitely we should be doing this. Yeah, you got to get his
trying to
attention.
Get into my account.
You got to get his attention.
Some people, no patience.
You've been working on it for an hour to log into an account. Give it up.
I know. That's why I hate these damn things. It shouldn't be that difficult.
Call tech support. Hey, guys, I'm on your side. I'm trying. If you make me take a trade and I lose money, it'll be my fault. It'll be no one's fault but my own.
We're only going sideways. If you're trading,
Which is
you're
true.
silly.
Which is true. It's 100% true. If I take a trade and I lose money, it's no one's fault but my own.
Like, what the hell would you be trading? Run a
I
wedge.
don't know.
We got to break the wedge.
There's a wedge. I didn't even see a wedge. I'm so busy entering names.
Oh, man. All right. I see this guy. He's doing a giveaway. Let's check him out.
Qualifier.
Well,
Oh, I heard that. What do I need to do? $10.30 initial balance. Come on, don't stop me out. We still got 10 points. Hang in there. I want a perfect record. I want a perfect record for the week. What speed do we want to set it at? Time scale 0.02. Apply settings. And let's just check.
all right. So all you Chicken Little. Now you are Mike ICT.
We got a Chicken Little? Now you are. No, I'm my CT. I trade my CT. Or Mike CT. Yep. We're rebranding ICT. Didn't get stopped out yet. Just saying. Going in the wrong direction. Open my mouth too soon. You never know.
If you're rebranding ICT, does that mean it's actually going to work?
Stopped out. That's 4 and 1. I do have to keep that somewhere. I lost some of my papers.
All right.
1,
I gotta
2, 3,
go get
4.
my drink. I'll be
1.
back in 2 minutes. We'll play the game.
I am sorry I let you guys down. That was a
Told Mike
loser.
Guru video coming soon.
But
Might as well. I mean, that's what people watch. It's crazy. And
it's-
I don't know. What do you do? I mean, do you fight with people and not give them what they want, or do you give them what they want?
told
I'm going
my
to put out a
guru
video,
here.
1,000% accuracy. It's all going to be hindsight.
Hmm. There is no hindsight trading on futures floor. This channel.
Then I'm going to put out a trend line video talking about how my uncle did all this stuff.
I looked at trend lines. I got frustrated. I don't know.
Seen a video. I don't know how true it is, but the title said that she got caught cheating or whatever.
Yep. Posting trades and then showed her uncle's account number.
That's funny.
The things people do.
Yeah, she'll wear that white T-shirt again.
I'm sold.
After a 30-minute workout, talk about how lonely she is.
Yeah,
Put the
that's it.
headlights on. Everybody's gonna forget all about it.
Yeah. What was that? What were they talking about last week? I have no fucking idea.
Damn, she's a good trader.
I
I'm gonna
think
keep
it's
watching this.
something about her uncle buying her a white shirt. I don't know.
Whoever runs the marketing campaign's a genius.
You look like
Here's a
you're
white
ready to
shirt.
go.
Turn the headlights on. Talk about being lonely. We're gonna make some money.
Game.
I gotta get my drink. Hold on. Hurry up. You're distracting me.
Go.
Guys,
We
this
wait.
time it's Mike's fault. Y'all let him know. You got 2 minutes to tell him all about it.
We wait. Let him go get his drink. I just took a long trade. 22, targeting 29. I'll let you know when I'm out. Very close to getting stopped out already. Ooh, that'll be 2 for 2. Don't take my money. Pecker. Come on, take me out. I'm offering. Take me out. Take me out. And shit. That cost me a lot of money. That just cost me. Yeah, it's okay. It's just one trade. Sparky, you want more cookies? Still green on my Top Step account, but now only $66. Like I said, I go up, I go down. I go up, I go down. Okay, back up to 109. Yeah, I can still get in. Target's 122 on this trade. Entries at 15. If I can get in at like 11 or better, there's 10, 9, 8. I'll take it. Risk is small, but push up. Now I'm only up 44.
All right. We're back.
All right.
We're live. We're with Futures Floor.
Hamza, silent mind. We're all good.
We could either run the game or I could tell you about me trying to get in a fight last night.
Trying to get into your account.
Try to get in my account. Try to get in fights.
You tried to get into a fight. You didn't succeed.
I wasn't necessarily trying to get into a fight, but I almost did. But so we're outside. The kids are playing out in the road, and just got dark. And this truck comes flying down the road.
Oh shit!
Like 50 miles per hour in a 20 mile per hour zone. And the kids are in the road. And then I'm yelling at the kids. I can hear them coming down the road like super fast. So I'm yelling at the kids to get out the road. And my kid and the neighbor kid collide on their bike, so they wreck in the street. All this truck's like flying down the road. So then I like walked out in the road. So you think that they would see me and slow down. Instead, I think they sped up and tried to hit me. I got to skip part of the story for legal reasons. But something happened. And then like they were kind of losing control of the truck, and then they about ran over a bike in the middle of the road and had to slam on the brakes.
Jesus Christ.
And I got to skip a few more parts for legal reasons.
Okay, I'm stopping to trade. I'm hanging up my trading tile for today. Got back to my high water mark. Took a few aggressive trades. Ready to go?
Then my wife got home a few minutes later, and I told her about it, and she's like, "Point this motherfucker out."
Yeah. Was he someone that lived in your area?
I don't know.
We had a neighbor when my kids were small. He used to come flying down the road and pull into his driveway like at 40 miles an hour. Like, are you nuts? My kids could run out onto the street at any moment for a ball, for anything. Used to drive me insane, but we gave him shit. And when we saw him coming down, I would immediately, if I was outside in the summer, I would immediately get up, grab my lawn chair, fold it, and go stand right on the side of the road. He got the message. You do it. This chair goes flying. I don't give a shit. And it wasn't a BMW de l'année, of the year, but he was all proud. He was a, 23-year-old, 24-year-old, whatever, all proud of his BMW. He wasn't risking it. He wasn't calling my bluff.
It's crazy. What gets me is a lot of people speed down the road fine, but the moment you see people, especially kids, especially little kids, you should be hitting the brakes.
Yep.
Like, in no world should you be doing 50 and a 20 and see kids and say, "Hey, I don't need to slow down." To me, that means you're choosing to run over my kids. And yeah, I'm ready for violence. All right. How about this game?
Okay.
I know you want to take a couple more trades.
No. I'm done. I'm not clicking the button anymore today. I'm
We
just
did
gonna
break
put.
the wedge. We are
I'm-
trying to go long. Still don't like it. Still not interested. We're gonna have a Mike's ICT video coming soon, huh?
Mike CT.
That's still bothering me.
Say the word, Mr. Omnius, and I hit the fire button.
First,
Say the word, Mr. Omnius, and I hit the burst button.
word. We got everybody?
I
Oh, look who
hope-
we got there.
I hope so. I don't
Hold
know.
on. Pause the game. You see the chat? Look who you got.
Hold on. I don't have a fucking pause. Who do we got? Skeletor. Yeah, he's in Skeletor.
My chat.
Starboy. Roll Tide. Hey.
How we get the roll tide?
He'll be in the next one. We started it already.
All right.
Started it already. No fair. A couple of people got stopped out. I don't even know who.
Bama, good morning.
Bama?
Went from Bama to roll tide, huh?
Okay, you know what? Nobody's on the right side. Yeah, that's the,
I don't think your wall's breaking either.
yeah, it is.
You got to restart anyways.
Apply settings. Okay, let's get Bama in.
Didn't change it, but like it. Yeah, I think YouTube's been changing a lot of people's names. I think before you could use like a username or something. Now they want everybody's unique YouTube name.
Yeah, it's the
A
unique
bunch
ID.
of other people's accounts have been changed also.
Add player. Okay, well, not to be confused. Let's set him up as Roll Tide.
So far, I've been lucky. Haven't changed any of my names.
Oh, wait, let's be specific. Roll Tide 19. Save and apply. I'm tired. Okay. Go ahead, Omnius.
How my name appears. Skeletor Emperor.
Say
Your name
the
didn't
word.
change either.
How my name appears. No, it didn't. Yeah. Hey, wait a minute. You have your volume on, Omnius.
No, I don't.
Well, turn the volume on.
Okay. That's a lot of work. You got to give me a second.
I'll give you all the time you need.
And I got to mute my mic.
Give me a
I think
hand
that works.
signal.
Try the chat. Y'all let
Hey.
me know if y'all can hear the volume.
I don't know how they would test it. You have your stream off and my stream on, the volume? Testing. 1, 2, 3. Come on, Mike.
All right,
How
I
about
think
we
I
try
got it.
some? Here we go. Let's, you guys hear this? That's my stomach. Did you hear my stomach growling? If you heard my stomach growling, it worked. Did it work?
Yeah.
This week's giveaway game is brought to you by Smooth Operator's Premium Ball Polish. When applied twice daily, your balls will be aerodynamic, frictionless, and fully optimized for this week's giveaway games. Smooth Operator wishes you all the best in today's giveaway game. But keep in mind, he's been exposing his balls to harsh market conditions his entire life. Statistically speaking, his balls remain the most consistent performers on this channel to date. And don't forget, use code SMOOTH to get a bonus tube of slippage control gel. Rubbing this on your balls once a month before non-farm payrolls is guaranteed to prevent FOMC dryness, CPI burns, and help your balls glide effortlessly into the winner's pit. May the best balls win.
That was funny.
Gotta pay the bills. Gotta have a sponsor. It's too bad he wasn't here for it, but okay, we got Diet Coke, Skeletor, Silent Mind.
Bama said, what the fuck is that? He wants to get him some of it.
Code Smooth.
All right, I gotta turn this off.
What do we got? Skeletor. Skeletor. Of course, Skeletor's trying to break through the wall. Madman Antonio. Oh, almost made it. Diet Coke. Diet Coke's on the right side of the board. Silent Mind stopped out. Bama making a run. If he gets a good deflection, Diet Coke takes it. We don't have a player called Diet Coke. We run it again.
How do we get Diet Coke in there?
You know what? Motivation for me to go shopping and pick some up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow, what was that? 3 people just stopped out. That was insane. That was, wow, the playing field just got cut in half, like in 1 second.
Was that the burst?
No, that was fire.
Wow.
Okay, if Diet Coke wins again, we'll take him out. Silent Mind. Oh, Skeletor got stopped out. Okay. And we got Omnius still there. Futures is still in. Diet Coke still floating around, but we do have Starboy, Tech Comic, Madman, Silent Mind, Tech Comic. Ooh, I thought Tech Comic was going to float across. Let's try again. No, he keeps hitting a peg. I found an opening. Futures found an opening. Floating around now onto the right side of the, I keep saying the chart, the right side of the game board. And guys, don't be shy. If you want to get onto the other side, it'll be easier to fall into the winner's pit. Omnius and Futures. I guess we've had the most practice.
We used the ball lube.
Madman looks like he's going to make it across. Silent Mind is floating there, and he got a really nice bounce off a peg. Getting close. I think Silent Mind's going to get another good bounce. And one more good bounce. And if he hits that peg, it's Silent Mind. Oh, he just missed that peg. If he had hit that peg, he had it. We got Madman Antonio and Silent Mind battling it out. Both of them on the good side of the board. Madman Antonio is making a real good run for it. Silent Mind came to knock him out of the way, but didn't have to do it. The peg got him. Madman Antonio said, fuck that. I'm going back to the left side of the board. It's safer, less. Silent Mind. Whoa, you can make a run for it again. Except the peg is there. You need a deflection. And Silent Mind moves back over to the left side of the board. Futures gets a big hit from Omnius. Almost knocks him in. Madman Antonio looks and he says, okay, there's no one there. Maybe I'll go to the right side of the board. Diet Coke streaking across the board.
What do we got left?
bluffing.
Silent Mind and Madman Antonio?
Silent Mind, Madman Antonio, Futures, and Diet Coke. Silent Mind's going to float down again in a really nice angle, but he's going to hit a peg. Pegs are in the way this game. They're blocking access to the Diet Coke. Might give him a bump. Oh, just missed. If you got a bump off, looks like Silent Mind's going to take it. I don't want to be a predictor, but it looks like he's going to float into the board pretty soon. Just squeaked by. Now he's going to drift across. If you're not Silent Mind or Madman Antonio, maybe you can start writing exclamation mark giveaway again. Silent Mind making another run for it. Madman Antonio's on the left side of the board saying, I like the weather here. No, he changes positions, comes over onto the right side of the board. If he gets a good bump off a peg, he just might deflect in. He just needs one good deflection. Silent Mind's gonna make room for Madman Antonio. One of them's gonna float down and fall into the pit. They're both, wow, look at Silent Mind catching up to Madman Antonio saying, no, me first.
Skeletor said he's ready for the next game.
Skeletor said, wake me up when it's over.
Yeah, this one's taking forever, isn't it?
Yeah, you know, I gotta put a speed. Yeah, once there's only a few players, there's very few deflections. Madman Antonio, if that peg doesn't save you, you are gonna be stopped out. And Futures is gonna fall into the pit. The next one we will. Oh no, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not.
Oh, wow.
Okay, Madman Antonio is in really good shape, but the pegs are catching him. The pegs are in a bad place. They keep knocking the drifters up. Oh, Madman Antonio, you tried.
Can you speed it up while it's in the match?
No. Should we start over?
You can't do that.
Just as someone's falling into the pit, we'll start over. It's going too slow. Okay, we just got Silent Mind. It's all up to you, Silent Mind. Diet Coke.
Oh, Diet Coke? No?
You
Oh,
too.
man.
Diet Coke again. You got excited. You thought I was a player, huh? Okay,
Fakey
you know what?
wants cookie.
Sparky wants a cookie. Skeletor giveaway. Straight to the stop loss. Skeletor's in for the next one.
It could be Sparky, but it also could be Spanky. Huh?
It could be Spanky.
That's still bothering me.
So who do we got? We got anybody? We got Silent Mind. Do we want to just give it to him? Or do we want to maybe hope he stops out and we rerun the game? Do I take a poll? He's going to get a bump to the right side now. Float up.
I just have to put it on the small screen and go look at stocks for
Watch the futures markets. This is a long game.
I feel like if you stop it, then I feel like if you stop it, you're doing him dirty.
Yeah. He might get it now. He might float into it now if nobody bothers him. Hit the wall. Hit the wall. Futures tried to run interference. He looks like he's going to float right in. Guys, oh no, the wind is blowing to the left today. The wind is blowing to the left. He didn't make it. It's a windy day up here on Giveaway Mountain.
Silent Mind's at the edge of his chair, screaming at the screen. Like, what are you doing?
Yeah, just shitting his pants. He's going to try again. He's going to try again. This looks good. Oh, no, he hit a peg. And Diet Coke Okay, we don't want this to take forever. So
Okay.
the next one will go a little faster. We will bring the speed up to 0.3. Apply. Fire. Be quiet. This one will run 50% faster. Restart would be better. But
Oh my goodness. What did you do?
I'm gonna have a heart attack. That was hilarious.
I took out the whole crew. That's what y'all get for following trades. How many times we say don't follow trades?
You never know what's gonna happen in the markets. You really don't. Oh my god, that was funny.
Roll tide out. Oh my goodness.
Who do we got? Silent Mind again. I know. I thought he was gonna win. Well, the wall is gonna protect him. Starboy is the only one who can
I feel like we've been
any
here before.
problem. Oh, my eyes are tearing.
This is like deja vu.
Who just stopped out? Futures. Starboy and Silent Mind are on the right side of the board.
Wasn't it the same two players last time?
No, I think it was Bama. It was Roll Tide. Silent Mind. Good riddance.
All right, I guess Starboy. Lone
Starboy's gonna try and float in.
The other trades.
Oh, damn, those pegs. Those pegs are really, really
Mike,
positioned.
you gotta do a reset next time. Get those pegs changed.
Yeah, okay. Omnius. Omnius is trying to knock Starboy out of the way, but Starboy gives him a shove.
I'm trying to knock him in.
Yeah, I'll put we'll fix something out there. Okay, let me go look at the markets, guys. Oh, we have a short trade at 87, targeting 80. Put my hand on the mouse, 87. If I can get in at 91, I'll take it. Targeting 80. I know the sound if there's a winner. Oh, there we go. I can get my 90. I got it. Oh, shit. Not happy. Wrong size. There we go. Okay, didn't pay the price. Boom, boom, boom. Omnius. Okay, let's pick up the speed again. Oh, change the pegs.
Change those pegs. My goodness.
Change the pegs. Yeah, let's get a new peg layout. And
Bama, you work today? And do we still call you Bama or do we call you Roll Tide? Now you got the name change. Nobody's gonna know who we're talking about. Might need a poll. Do we call him Bama or do we call him Roll Tide?
I'm sticking with Bama. Futures out.
I prefer Bama or Nate.
Oh, Roll Tide got saved by a peg. This time the peg is in a good place.
You quit the job?
No kidding, that was quick. Oh, SP King. SP King is stopped out. Skeletor. No, Skeletor didn't clear that. Starboy shooting across. Shooting across the screen like a shooting star. Less
Bama.
pegs. He is going. Ooh, I thought he was going to float in.
We'll call you Bama, we'll call you Nate, but you gotta decide.
Starboy, Omnius, Silent Mind. It's the same players all the time, eh? Starboy, Silent Mind. Nobody else is able to. Skeletor.
Bama works.
Starboy.
Contract until I get CDL.
Bounce off the Hamza. Silent Mind. Somebody's going to go and somebody's going to get a bump. Oh, Omnius is coming to cause trouble.
Well, I
Diet
say we
Coke.
should try out spin.
Wow. That's 4 games. Diet Coke won 3 of them.
Starboy, what are you talking about? Tryout spin? They're like an exercise group or what?
Gotta find a better game.
Yo, that's where I stopped out again?
I have no idea. SP King gone.
Starboy, is that a game? Spin?
Roll Tide.
I don't know what.
Where is Mad? Oh, yeah, I haven't seen Mad Mantonio make an appearance on the right side of the board. Hamza, Roll Tide. Mad Mantonio keeps getting knocked. Every time he tries, someone gives him a bump.
Bama, sorry to hear the job didn't work out. Sometimes it's for the better. Sometimes you look at a job and you think, man, it's going to be great. And you get there and like, it's just all chaos and shit. It's like, man, just get me out of here.
Starboy, I thought you had it. I really did. I mean, you can't hit the bumper more than that without falling in. Seriously. Silent Mind, make a run for it now. Tech Comic stopped out. We got a lot of players here on the right side of the board. And Diet Coke almost looks like he was going to win again. Okay, if Diet Coke wins again, he's out. He's out forever. Roll Tide! You got it. You
Bird
got
driving
it.
a tanker. Yeah. Roll Tide. Roll Tide wins?
Roll Tide got it.
Sweet. Guys, type in the chat. GG for Bama or Roll Tide or whatever y'all want to put. I won. What did I win? Mike, tell Bama what he won. You won a
Bama.
brand new
Car!
simulated car.
Hold on a minute. Bama. Today's qualifier. Bama, you won an entry into, I think it's Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? I don't even know. Whatever the last day of the week is. I want a hooker. An entry
Depends.
into.
Is it like a hooker first day on the job or a hooker that's been there for 10 years? I don't know if I want one that's been there for 10 years.
I think it's Friday. I think Friday is the last day of the week for the day session. So Friday we're going to run the it's the finals. You get an entry into the finals. All the qualifiers get an entry into the finals on Friday. All the winners of the qualifiers. So far you're going to be battling against, we got quite a few yesterday. SP King, ERB, Harshing, and Skeletor. That was yesterday's qualifiers. And today's qualifier is Bama. And
Like, make sure you update the Discord. I set up a channel in my Discord, but I didn't know who all won. So
you mean for the qualifiers? I didn't think about doing that, but yeah, sure, certainly that would be a good idea. Put in the qualifiers, and the ones who won the qualification round each day. Good idea. And then on Friday we run the finals, and the finals is for a 50K eval account. It's going to be this Friday. It's going to be from Taurus Arena for the day session, or the day round, the day game. And the evening it will be a Bullinox account. So yes, you guys can play in the evening again also. It's a whole separate round, completely independent of the day game. Getting a nice little dump here.
All right, we taking a break, or are we running another game, or?
We can run another game. It's like 11 o'clock. I'd like to get them out of the way.
All right, well, guys, type in the chat.
Brand new. You won. Yeah, on The Price is Right. You won a brand new hooker. Yeah, never saw that on The Price is Right.
More people would watch it, huh?
Yeah, I think so. Well, so far for the next round, I only got Skeletor.
Yeah. Cool dude said, roll me in.
Skeletor. Cool dudes there?
That's
I
what it
want to
says.
play. Okay, roll me in.
Mike,
Cool
we're
dude.
gonna have so many people that are gonna have different names. We're not gonna know who anybody is.
Yeah. Cool dude. Okay, we got cool dude. Let me go type him in.
We only knew Bama because of how much he loves Roll Tide.
Cool dude. Save and apply. Well, I like to experiment with things, so while you guys are typing, I'm changing settings. I'm going to make it a clear board.
Madman Antonio said before, got to find a better game.
Launch speed.
Madman Antonio, you don't like the game?
Let's do 15.
Starboy, let's start a new game. Y'all type in exclamation mark giveaway. And if y'all have other games that y'all like, let us know what they are.
Yeah, and Omnius will code them. Horse racing. That's a fun game. Giveaway. Skeletor. What do we got?
I feel like everybody does like the
GG.
horse race or the moose race or whatever.
Yeah. How about a duck race with a bunch of ducks flying across the screen, but a bunch of hunters in the blinds shooting at the ducks, and the last one to make it across? Anything worth taking over here? Nope. 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 Nope.
All right, we got some people signing up.
Let me
You
know.
got Cool Dude, you got Starboy, you got SP King,
Oh yeah,
and you got Tech, you got Nefemi.
Starboy. Tech.
Where's Bama at? Bama. Type in exclamation mark giveaway.
Nefemi.
You sign back up.
SP King. Okay, we're missing Silent Mind. Hamza.
We got Hamza.
Antonio. Hamza, he's already there. Madman Antonio.
Silent Mind. Bama.
Who said we need a new game? Gotta find it. Madman Antonio.
We got Black Skin Boy.
Wow, it's not showing up on my phone again.
Who won? Mike, who won? Bama won. Roll Tide.
Roll
the last
Tide.
one.
Oh my God.
Black Skin Boy. What do people normally call you? Is that what they call you or something else? A short version of that?
That's funny.
Many of them. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so who are we missing? Nefemi, Cool Dude, Black Skin Boy.
Missing Madman Antonio?
Yeah, he didn't type in. Did he type it in yours? I didn't see it over here.
Didn't see it.
Let me know. I'll update the list and we can start right away. Futures Omnius.
Meanwhile, we're trying to contact some hookers, see if we can get a brand new one to join the giveaway. Should I message Tori?
Oh, come on. Stupid mouse.
How many people we got?
I know I'm doing it slowly. Right now I'm entering in Black Skin Boy in position.
Smooth operator. Put in
Black Skin
smooth
Boy.
operator.
Yeah, I'm going to get him there. Smooth. Okay, so it's Black Skin Boy. Circle. What do we have after that? Silent Mind.
Guys, as always, if y'all have any suggestions for the stream,
Slayer
for the
Boy,
giveaways,
SDK.
for the games, for trading, for
What is
strategies,
that?
for life in general, or how Mike can get rid of herpes,
My
Let
marriage.
us know in the chat. Yeah, marriage. Does anybody
Roll
ever figure
Tide.
marriage out?
Where is Roll Tight? Bama.
I think marriage is one of those things where you can be married for 50 years and still can't figure it out.
We'll keep it Roll Tight.
He said go with Bama.
Yeah, okay. Go with Bama. Doop, 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 doop. Bama. Who else we got?
Wait.
Cool dude.
Skeletor says, now I know why I'm going straight to the stop out because I didn't listen to the smooth operator song.
Femi, ad player.
Y'all gotta listen to the smooth operator song.
Okay, and Smooth. Did we get Smooth in?
Text says, I guess Mike have Lambo.
And player.
Mike, you got 2 Lambos, don't you?
Yeah, I'm just I have nowhere. I don't know where to park him anymore.
You gotta listen to the song, baby. Oh yeah.
Smooth operator, save and apply. What are we? We're full screen again, eh? Okay, well, smooth operator. Since he showed up, I'm sorry. I have to run the. I
gotta set it up again. I don't even know if I set it up right last time.
I have to run the day's promotion again. The day's sponsor, because the day's sponsor just showed up and he wants to check out if I did a good job. If he's getting his money's worth. You got your sound on?
I think so. Guys, y'all hear it?
Oh, let me run Omnius again. Where is he? Again, the stomach rumble. It's an echo, though.
This week's giveaway game is brought to you by Smooth Operator's Premium Ball Polish. When applied twice daily, your balls will be aerodynamic, frictionless, and fully optimized for this week's giveaway games. Smooth Operator wishes you all the best in today's giveaway game. But keep in mind, he's been exposing his balls to harsh market conditions his entire life. Statistically speaking, his balls remain the most consistent performers on this channel to date. And don't forget, use code SMOOTH to get a bonus tube of slippage control gel. Rubbing this on your balls once a month before non-farm payrolls is guaranteed to prevent FOMC dryness, CPI burns, and help your balls glide effortlessly into the winner's pit. May the best balls win.
Guys, quick disclaimer. You can't Hold smooth operator responsible for any slippage and accidents.
If you're shaving your balls and you cut yourself, game over! Speaking, you wanted a fast match. You said you asked for it, you got it.
SP King, good job. Good game. Guys, type GG in the chat for SP King. Who? SP. Just type. Just GG.
SP.
That's fine. You don't have to type it. Just put GG.
Wow, way to go, SP King. You're like racking up those entries. I wish NQ would break down. Yeah, where's Woodchip today? SP King.
We're still consolidating, ain't we? Yeah, just sideways. I don't want nothing to do with this.
SP King has 2 entries for Friday's game.
This tells me just stay away. What want to do with it? If anybody thinks my trend line's ugly, that's good. I like ugly trend lines. Don't worry about it. I need a sudden alert so when we break this area. There we go. All right, what we got next? 11:15. You run one more, or that's it, or do one at 11:30?
Yeah, we can do one more at 11:30. And then I think I'm gonna call it a day. I reached my targets on a bunch of accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts. My Apex is doing the worst, but I am at a high water mark on my top step again. So, wow, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times we got stopped at 780.
I gotta figure out how I'm supposed to set this account up and how I'm supposed to get into it.
I'm going to take a break, guys. In the meantime, if you want to play one more, just type in exclamation mark.
I don't know why they make it so difficult.
Yeah, I talked about a Madman. There's a no activation option, I heard. I heard they're lowering the activation fee for the ones that go for the activation.
Top Steps New Deal.
Anyone types in exclamation mark jiggity in my chat gets 2 balls for the next run. It's got to be in my chat, though. I'll be back in a sec.
Trend line seems legit, not like Tori. That's why I like ugly trend lines. I just want my trend line to, if we're breaking down below here, it's saying that we're breaking down this area. I don't like the thought of you break a trend line and that means you go short. Still trying to log into my funded futures network. For anybody that didn't know, Funded Futures Network's got 50% off plus BOGO plus no activation fee. So for like $79, you get 2 accounts, 250K accounts, and no activation fee. And also, for anybody that didn't hear earlier, I got an email from Apex. So if y'all don't know the current Apex, if I can find it, Apex Black Friday sale, they have the 100K only is, what's it say? It's 80% off. Applies to the 100K full size evaluation or the 100K static evaluation. The 2 accounts get $59.40 evaluation price and $10 PA fee. So for $69, you get an all-in 100K account.
Skeletor, type in exclamation mark jiggity, you get an extra ball.
So for anybody that actually likes Apex, you can get a 100K account, $69 all in. It's actually $59. Then when you pass it, it's $10. Bama, did you see the Apex review video we did? Thought we did a pretty good review video.
Yeah, it was. That was a pretty solid bounce off 780. Eh? It was really getting supported over there since like 10:30 in that area, 780 to like 770. What do we got? 21 points on the range, volume 1.3 million. I'm not familiar with the volume at 11:30. I do know I look for at least 400,000 by about 9:20. And I think we were at 500,000 this morning. So it was a pretty standard day. Nothing crazy. And I guess that shows nothing crazy because the markets did nothing crazy except off the open. One candle on the 30-minute, the 20-minute dump, the 10-minute recovery, and then it's been pretty quiet since then. Starboy, save and apply. What did we do for the first 5 minutes? Did we break through it with a fair value gap? Yeah, we did. And that would have been a nice, it's also a trade that I'm starting to watch. A break of the opening 5-minute range with a close outside of it and a fair value gap. And we did get that today. And wow, did that work out nicely. Just letting you guys know what I'm keeping my eye on. And we just broke the US session highs. Got back into the pre-market range. That is a bullish candle. Let's see where this candle closes.
I'm gonna have to contact these people. I was like, fine, I'll just reset up the affiliate. So I do it. It says, well, it's already taken. You're already an affiliate. Yeah, well, why can't I sign in? Weird.
Mike looks weird as fuck.
Hey, it's true. Mike, why are you hiding?
No, I'm not. I'm right there. Look. Today I have a beard. I put on a fake beard and a cap. Let me open it up. I don't know. I just forget. That's all. I'm back. He's back, baby. That was my Halloween costume for next year. $66, $83, $14, $17, $34. Okay, I can take it for a 5 lot. Deal me in. Yeah, I forgot about deal me in.
I don't know.
What don't you know?
There's fucking people in their sign-ins. I don't get it. They got me set up under the same email under different accounts. I can't log into the one account because it goes to the other account. And I have to message them. Skeletor, did you watch the Apex review video or part of it? It's only about an hour long.
That's funny.
Yeah, isn't that crazy? That's why I don't like Apex, because I always got off the flight to get into their site. Skeletor, yes. Skeletor, we're going to try to get better at doing those types of videos. So far, we've done what, 2? Like the first one was
Practice.
a bit rough.
A bit rough. Yeah, it was a bit rough around the edges. Let's put
Like
it
we
that
did
way.
better in the Apex. I think our plan is to do Bullinox next. And we also want to get input from you guys. What do y'all want us to do?
There are requests for some of the Forex firms.
We could do a back and forth debate. Maybe we could do a thumbnail. You know that guy that he sits at the table and he's got the sign says something, prove me wrong. You know that guy?
Mm,
Maybe do a thumbnail like that and they'll say Bullinox makes Apex. It's a little bitch. Prove me wrong. I shouldn't be so hard on Apex. I think they bring it on themselves though. Which platform you use to buy crypto with? INR. Know what the INR means? Also
Me?
don't. Hamza was asking.
I have no idea. I'm out of the crypto market. I got rid of
Me
my
too.
Cardano and I was done.
Me too. Hamza, don't buy crypto. Not that I don't believe in it.
Yeah, me neither. I think it's an excellent.
I just, I don't know. There's so many coins. I don't know which way to go with it. I don't know what to buy. Right now, the only crypto that I have is kind of don't know if I should say it, but I do have Shiba Inu. I don't know why I bought it. I think it's the only one I got left. I'm like, screw it. I think it went down to almost nothing, anyways. Yeah, Steven Crowder, prove me wrong. So I have Shiba Inu, sold all the rest, some profit, some for loss. I think all in all, I've been positive in crypto. But I also have this ETF I've spoken about many times. Not this one, wrong one. Sorry, this one. BITO, which sells covered calls on Bitcoin. So somehow I bought that and I keep selling it and I keep selling it and I keep selling it and they just keep giving me more. So it's not even my fault. They just keep giving me more. Mike, you ever had an investment you couldn't get rid of?
No. Sounds like you got a really good lifetime plan there, though.
At this point,
There's
I've
nothing
made-
better than that.
At this point, I've made thousands of dollars multiple times off of it. So at this point, I've got like $100 invested, and it's already up to a couple $1,000 again. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it. I don't know. Like, where can it go if Bitcoin crashes? Every time the lower Bitcoin goes, the more they're gonna give me. So here's my theory: if Bitcoin crashes like everyone says it will, which I don't know either way, comes down here, I'm gonna add some more, and if it goes back up, it should be worth a lot of money. Because the cheaper it gets, it's like dividends. So that every month they're buying me more. So as it goes down, they're gonna buy, 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 and they're going back up. They're gonna keep buying more and more and more and more and more. So I don't even have to do anything. They just keep giving me more. So all I can lose is unrealized gains. So let it go. Unless it gets down in this area, then I'll add some more of my own money. Would like to see that area. 50,000. I think I've called that out quite a few times on Bitcoin. Might not make it, but it might. All right, Mike. What, you doing another game? We got 11:33.
Yeah, sure.
Are you gonna trade?
Yeah, I'm working the trade that you see on the screen over there. I got entered in at 64 and a quarter.
Let's get trade.
I'm targeting 48 for to get out of half. My stop's at 82. But the orders are in, so they do black on red. I hate people that do black on red.
Why?
Because you can't see. Look at me. I'm trying to see where my orders are and stuff because it's a short. So it's black on red. I can't see nothing. God damn it.
Antonio, I use hyper liquid, waiting for ETH to drop. I actually had ETH. I don't know if I still got it or not. I kind of thought that would be the better choice. But it never really took off like Bitcoin did it. Or some of the other ones. I thought that was going to be the go-to crypto. Seemed like it had pretty much everything Bitcoin had, but extra stuff. And a bunch of the other coins I think are built off of Ethereum. What can you do? I don't know much about crypto, but I would say this is a pretty good spot to buy. We drew like a channel right there. Have our moving average. Right here we have a big order blocks. So
Okay, I'm done.
my
I took
advice
it out.
means a whole lot, but I would be looking for this area right here.
Close.
Be buying. You see my
Close.
profit was down here. 2,000.
We'll just watch it.
I know I sold some up here somewhere. I don't know exactly where, but somewhere like there. The problem with crypto to me is it's hard to put it in your investment account. I think they're trying to make it now where it's easier to do. I don't know. But if I could put it in my investment account, I'd probably be more likely to buy it. I do all my swing trading and investing in my investment accounts. You still in that trade?
Nope, got out.
Are you going to run the game?
Yep, I'm ready to go.
All right. Who all we got?
We don't have a lot. I can tell you that. We have Madman Tonio. He has 2 marbles because he typed jiggity in my chat. Skeletor and Starboy. Skeletor gets 1 because he typed giveaway in my chat. Starboy typed giveaway in your chat. And there we got SP King. And let's add him. Add a player.
There's been a few people.
SP King, you want an additional ball? Exclamation
mark.
mark.
That was.
Jiggity.
Guys, listen, go over to Mike's chat.
I was just going to say, send him over. Get an extra ball.
Get an extra
Gigamike,
ball.
Skeletor.
Omnius.
Save and apply. What kind of game do you want to play?
They got me again, Mike. It don't even make no sense. I haven't even been on it. I haven't messed with anything.
That's not possible that you're muted. You just talked to them for like an hour.
I guess nobody heard it.
Holy shit.
I don't know. It randomly mutes me.
And I was letting you go on and talk.
Bama says, have been muted for a while. That's stupid. I don't know what to do about it. It's the platform just randomly mutes me. I don't know how other people ain't having this issue. I guess I need to kill the mic setup and redo another one or something. Try. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, I can do that.
All right, guys, go to Mike's chat. Type in
Jiggity.
jiggity. At least go tell him how to spell it. If you type that in Mike's chat, he's gonna give you 2 balls.
Yeah, Madman, that's funny. Madman saying he doesn't recommend you go outside today.
I'll go outside. It's the electronics that get me. Madman, you're only halfway there. You got to keep typing in that chat too. I fight with Ninja Trader daily. I've been fighting with Ninja Trader daily for what, Mike? A month, 2 months now.
Mm.
It's unbelievable. My freaking mouse don't work half the time. Madman Tony, I don't know if you heard, but about a month and a half, 2 months ago,
Okay,
something happened with
smooth.
my Ninja Trader. And I was trying to figure it out. I tried to do a restore point on my computer, crashed my computer. Couldn't even stream for what, like a week and a half. Spent God knows how much time getting my computer back up. I had to get GPT to basically show me how to teach my computer to operate. It was like neuroscience or something.
Mm-hmm. Femi, you got to type it in my chat.
Guys, you got to type it in Mike's chat. I put the link in the chat there. Just click the link.
Smooth operator, jiggity, not giveaway. We changed the rules.
Click the link.
No, you get an extra ball.
On his live channel, his live
can
stream.
You can do giveaway, but you only get 1 ball. You got to do exclamation mark jiggity for the extra one. Smooth operator. There you go.
I'm trying to tell him where to go. Hold on a second. All right. Click that link to features floor. Then click on his live video. Type in the chat giggity. It don't matter if you spell it right or not.
Nah.
You got Black Beauty or Black Skin Boy?
Nope. You typed
He's
it
in
on
your
mine or
chat?
in yours?
Oh,
Yeah,
he's
it's
in
not
yours.
showing. Not showing.
Yeah. Not showing in your chat?
Not showing in my chat. Oh, wait, I got top chat. Live chat.
You got Smooth Operator.
I got smooth operator. Smooth. Oh, there he is. Yeah, jiggity. Okay,
Starboy. Click on the
Roll
link
Tide.
to Mike's channel. Click on his live stream. Can I just put the link for the live stream? Let's try it.
Roll Tide. Roll Tide.
There you go.
BLKSKN.
Guys, I got the link right to his stream right there. Click on that link.
BLKSKN. Smooth
Make sure
operator.
you-
Do we get you?
Make
Yes,
sure
we
you
have
like his stream and type it in his
jiggity,
chat.
Silent mind.
ERB consult. Good morning. ERB, we're playing the game. Mike wants people to type into his chat. Giggity. The link is right above you. I put it in the chat. Click that. It's going to take you right to his stream. Just type in his chat. Starboy, good job.
Jiggity. Silent
You got
mind.
Starboy?
Jiggity. Starboy. Yeah, I'm going to go put it in.
Waiting on ERB.
Player.
You got Bama.
Starboy. ERB.
Who else? You got Smooth Operator.
Diet Coke.
There you go. ERB. SP King.
SP King? Yeah, SP King. Did SP King? Oh, yeah, okay. SP King. I only had him in for 1.
All right, so everybody should have 2. Who doesn't have 2?
ERB consult. Hold on, let me just check. And add
If they get 2, do I get 2?
SP King. Let's just do a save and apply. 21 players. Oof, we're going to have to slow down the speed. Someone's going to shoot off. Sure, Omnius gets another one too. Why not? Add a player.
Running resistance.
Omnius, add a player. Futures. Jiggity.
Femi.
I'll check.
I don't see Nefemi.
Yeah, it could be at the top.
Okay.
Okay. ERB, RB, Starboy, Silent Mind, Black Skin, Roll Tide, Smooth Operator, Skeletor,
Ooh, no Nefemi.
SP King, I don't have you twice. Plus you're there with an exclamation mark. That's not good.
What about Hamza?
I'm still working on SP King. Is SP King, did he, I don't want to, SP King. Okay, yes, he's got 2. Who else? Let's go. Hamza, yeah. Nefemi, Silent
Nefemi?
Mind. Black Skin Boy's Impatient. Let's go!
You got Nefemi twice?
I have no idea. I don't even think I have him once.
Yeah, I didn't see him a second ago.
Yeah. Nope, not on the board. Hold on. I better start it. Morning, gents. ERB. Okay.
All right, guys, type in the chat. Fire or burst? Fire, burst, or roll tide? Hey, I want to do it. First one. Fire, burst, roll tide.
Let's go. Morning, gents. Waiting. Fire or burst? Fire.
We got fire. I thought for sure somebody was going to put in roll tide.
This is going to be a quick game. It's crowded. Silent Minds trying to make a move to the right. Nefemi. Omnius. Nefemi! Told you. Fast game. Nefemi sneaks in 1 second. I should have made
one there.
Yeah. Okay. Nefemi gets it. One more. Nobody has to type anything in. What do you say?
My bad. I'm preoccupied. No, you good, Bama? I was just messing around.
You were good.
Guys, type in the chat GG for Nefemi.
GG for Nefemi. Type one more somewhere. Give me 5 one-mores in Omnius's or mine. We'll run it again. In the meantime, I'm going to set it up. Same players. Nobody has to type anything else in. Let me make it a little more fun. I am going to put more pegs. 140.
If you're going to do that many balls, you got to strengthen the wall, too.
120. Yeah, ball size.
Right, I'm going to step away for a minute. Come back. Give me a second. Do people have to type in again or no?
No, to just one more time. One more, that's all. Good game.
Give me 30
Madman Antonio wrote. 5. And peg size 8. Okay, we're good. Apply settings. There we go. Few more pegs. A shit ton of players. Wait for Omnius. We'll run it one more time. Why not? We're short a day. We're short of Thursday's close, so let's get in a couple extras. Smooth operator. Got to keep the lights on in the house while we're waiting for apply settings. Do I want to block? There we go. There we go. Who won, guys? Silent Mind. Silent Mind, do you have a ball in here? I think you do. Yes, you do. You have 2. Silent Mind, Silent Mind. Who won? Nefemi. Took it in 1 second. We're going to run one more. Just quick. When Omnius comes back. And then I think we're going to call it a day. Log on to the Discord if you want to see who qualified. Log on to the Discord at the end of the week if you want to see who won. 25 players. I better slow down the speed because We don't want anybody to get ejected. Are you ready to go, Omnius?
I'm ready.
Okay.
All right, hold on. Fire burst or roll tide? First one typing in. Fire burst or roll tide? Going once. Going twice. We have a W. I don't know what that means.
That means, woohoo!
All right, fire burst, woohoo, roll tide. Okay, we got roll tide. What's that
We
mean?
get roll tide.
We didn't
That
think it
means you
through.
roll with the tide. W. Well, W is near the F, farther from the B. It's a good thing we don't have a spelling class.
All right, fire. We got more W's. How many balls we got?
25.
Guys, we're just trying to have fun, do giveaways.
Whoa, look at Roll Tide sneaking through. And Madman Antonio.
Ah, he called it roll tide.
Black Skin made it to the right side. The
Yeah,
Femi's
I'm
flirting
thinking-
with danger. Omnius
Thinking you
stopped
type your
out.
ball in the chat and it helps your chances. I heard a rumor about that.
Silent Mind stopped out, but you have another one. Roll Tide's got 2 balls on the right side. He might help himself out.
He's been using that ball lube, ain't he? That smooth operator.
Oh, smooth operator. Stopped out. Starboy. Futures. Madman Antonio. Got a lot of people on the right side. Didn't take long. Madman Antonio gives Nefemi a bump. ERB coin. Consult. Oh, man, you didn't get that close and not go in.
Oh, wow.
Yep, that's that's pretty incredible. Roll Tide. Starboy bumping off the wall, and the Femi hugging onto the right wall. ERB Consult thinking he's going to try again. Someone's going to get a deflection here. SP King flirts with it, but still just grazes it. And the family takes, family, takes a look from above, flies over it, doesn't like what he sees. Madman Antonio's going for it.
Uh-oh.
He saw an
Might be
opening.
resistant.
He saw an opening.
Madman Antonio.
That was fun.
He said easy money. Guys, type GG in the chat for Madman Antonio.
Oh, shit. Well, it's a good
It was
thing I
fun.
got out of that trade. I was in that trade. I did get out early. I did take out some money from it, but it didn't go to the 100. So, that is another loser. It's 4-2 now. That sucks. It is what it is. Okay, guys. That's how we know if something has edge or not. We track it. Let's remove this.
Guys, good game to everybody.
Yeah, that
Had
was
fun
fun.
playing. For all the qualifiers, be sure to show up when? Friday morning?
Thank
What
you,
about-
sire.
Huh?
I had thank you, sire, from Madman Antonio. So I said thank you, sire.
Guys, make sure you like the streams. Get those numbers up. Let YouTube know that you like the stream. And
Action. The action. Okay.
be calling it quits soon. So any
Yeah, well,
cares, concerns, questions? Anybody want to say some random stuff in the chat before we leave?
yeah, if there's any cares or concerns, reach out to tech support. 1-800 Omnius Trades. They'll take care of everything in a jiffy, in a jiggity.
I need a tech support.
Hmm.
Who's our tech guy? We need tech guys.
We need tech guys. Soon. And then we need to open up the Omnius Trades futures floor store so they can cash in their futures floor chips. So, how? So, you have won the account. Have you won? The finals is on Friday. I had to think about that. Friday. Sorry, I had a little momentary seizure there. Friday. The markets are open for half a day, so the finals will be at 11:30 Friday morning. So far for qualifiers today and yesterday for the day session, we have SP King, ERB, Harshing, and Skeletor yesterday qualified. Today we have Bama, SP King, Nefemi, and Madman Tonio. Let me just get that in there. Nefemi, it's true, you qualified, eh? So Nefemi, you got to show up on Friday. See if you win. It'll be a small board. Won't be 25 balls you're going to be playing against. Probably 12. Markets are closed on Thursday, right? So we'll get another 4 tomorrow. That'll be 12 max. File.
Does anybody have multiple balls in that competition? So theoretically, what, 1 in 12?
SP King has 2.
So SP King has 2 in 12 chance.
And ERB's got 1 for the morning and 1 for the evening.
Madman Antonio says he's got 2 balls.
Yeah, he does have 2 balls, but not in the finals.
How do you know? Might have got 1.
Not yet. Skeletor's got 1 for the evening and 1 for the morning session as well.
Nefemi, I just panic right now in my room alone. Why? What?
No, go get a pizza. Today's a pizza day. It's Thanksgiving's. Taking out a bunch of internal liquidity. Let's see if we can get up to the previous day's close. That would be a beautiful trade, but I won't be around for it. How about me, Hamza? How about you, Hamza? Are you in? Did you get anything, Hamza, this week? Hamza, yeah, you got one. You got 1 for the evening. You're in there also. That will be. I'm thinking Thursday evening. I'm gotta figure the markets are gonna open on Thursday at 6. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. I'll check it out today. If not, then I'll run it on Wednesday.
Oh, you can't run it on Thanksgiving, man. Come on. Come on, man.
Okay, then it's tomorrow evening. So far, there's only 5 guys. 1, 2, 3, or I don't even know if they're guys. Skeletor, Hamza, Starboy, Yassi.
Wait, isn't that a restaurant? 5 guys?
5 guys, yeah. And ERB. We'll see who qualifies today. And then, we'll run it on Wednesday. And then I'm going to take the rest of the week off. Right? Don't I deserve a week off? Type in ! jiggity and I take the rest of the week off.
Well, you said you was running the day on Friday.
Damn it, you ruined it.
I think you just run the day on Wednesday. And who knows? We might show up Friday, we might not.
Yeah, I like it. No jiggity. Jiggity. Who came up with that word? Guys, thanks for hanging out. I had a good time. Well,
the problem is if we ran the game on Wednesday, we wouldn't be able to get the qualifiers. I don't know.
Say that again, Dave?
Did I hear dominance?
Yeah, it's definitely a pizza day. So, yep.
Nice.
Yep.
I'll have one.
Okay.
Guys, appreciate y'all hanging out. Everybody, make sure
Antonio's buying because he won.
Smash the like button.
You want a qualifier? Yep, guys.
Later, Bama, Skeletor.
It is
everyone
pizza
else.
Day, Skeletor.
Starboy.
Sausage.
Huh?
Black skin boy. Nefemi. Antonio.
Sorry.
Appreciate you guys.
Hold on.
See you in the morning.
Yeah, guys, take care. I'm going to be streaming tonight.
Appreciate you.
I'm going to be streaming tonight at 6:45 p.m. So if you want to enter in the evening session game, show up, Futures Floor. And see you later, guys. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it. If not, we'll be back on, me and Omnius, at 9:15 or earlier tomorrow. It was fun.
Later, guys.
Take care, guys.